Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to add variants to DSers. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been frustrated trying to find the right product on DSers? Maybe you're looking for a specific color or size, but you can't find it anywhere. Or maybe you're trying to find a product that's compatible with another product, but you can't find any information about it. If you've ever experienced this frustration, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add variants to DSers so you can make it easier for your customers to find the products they're looking for. What are variants? Before we get into the steps of adding variants, let's first define what variants are. Variants are simply different versions of the same product. For example, a t-shirt might have different colors, sizes, and materials. Each of these different versions would be considered a variant. Why are variants important? There are a few reasons why variants are important. First, they can help you increase your sales. By offering more options to your customers, you're more likely to make a sale. Second, variants can help you improve your customer experience. When customers can easily find the products they're looking for, they're more likely to have a positive experience with your store. Finally, variants can help you increase your search engine ranking. When you have more product pages, you'll have more opportunities to rank for relevant keywords. How to add variants to DSers. Now that we know what variants are and why they're important, let's get into the steps of adding them to DSers. Create a new product. The first step is to create a new product in DSers. To do this, click on the Products tab and then click on the Add Product button. Enter the product information. Once you've clicked on the Add Product button, you'll need to enter the product information. This includes the product name, description, price, and images. Click on the Variants tab. After you've entered the product information, click on the Variants tab. Add your variants. On the Variants tab, you can add your variants. To do this, click on the Add Variant button. Enter the variant information. Once you've clicked on the Add Variant button, you'll need to enter the variant information. This includes the variant name, price, and images. Save your product. After you've added all of your variants, click on the Save button. Publish your product. Once you've saved your product, you can publish it to your store. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for adding variants to DSers. Make sure that your variants are clearly labeled. Use high-quality images for your variants. Make sure that your variant prices are accurate. Use a consistent format for your variant names. Adding variants to DSers is a great way to increase your sales, improve your customer experience, and increase your search engine ranking. By following the steps in this video, you can easily add variants to your DSers store. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.